The difference is we got to reverse to board the ferry because the ship here is very small, so the same entrance has got to exit. It's a ro-ro ship, so all the vehicles are coming in from the ramp.
It's like you gave me superpowers. I'm on top of the world when I call you my girl. My heart's racing. I can't let me do you. I can't let from the truth. Caught my eye, pull me closer. I can't let me do you.
We're now at Jeju Island. This is about 3.5 kilometers away from Jeju Island, and the total length of Jeju Island is about 1.1 kilometer with about 1 kilometer width. It's a very nice touristy spot, and there's a lot of beaches around the whole island. I'm now at Byongdo off the island of Jeju. This is about 3.5 kilometers away from Jeju Island. This is the eastern side of South Korea, and we are facing the East China Sea.
You gave me superpowers.